Hi, I'm Mike Edwards. I hope you had a great time at the show, and if you didn't see Snugglebundl, I will show you now. It's been around for about 12 years. We've been in the baby business for a long time. It's won Best Baby Product 2 years running and also Most Innovative in 2021. The reason it's voted Best Baby Product is because it helps with the hardest part of parenting. If you don't know what that is, that's not getting anything done. Because every time you put the baby down, it wakes up. So then you have to keep putting it down again, and you don't get your jobs done. This is brilliant because it's not just a wrap for your baby, it's also a head support. The head support means you can lift the baby asleep in your arms without waking it. Because it comes to you asleep, okay, you get more done, more rest, less stressed, and your baby gets more sleep as well. But it gets even better. When you're going out, in the history of parenting, nobody manages to get the hand out without waking the baby. But with this, because it supports the body like a cuddle, it goes in like it's going on a lap. And look at this, no slots. Slots tend to be a problem because by the time you got a booker for a slot, you end up with a crying baby and missing your appointment, and a stressful baby. But if you look here, there's no need for a coat because this comes over and that goes over there. So now you've got a cozy baby that you can drive down the road that's not woken up, and you get your baby asleep. But it gets even better. When you take the baby out, normally you can't get your hand out the back of the head without waking it. And normally you want to get the baby out because when the baby's in there, it's losing oxygen because its chin's on its chest too much, okay? So when you take the baby out now, instead of leaving it in there, we always leave it in there because we don't want to wake the baby, yeah? And especially after you've not slept all night, you won't want to wake the baby. This is brilliant. Watch the baby's head. Absolutely still, comes out of sleep. So now this is the important bit. The car seat stays there. If I had a baby again now, I would not ever take the car seat out. I can now put it in a pram where the oxygen level goes up and I can take the baby away. But even more so, because the wrap forms these hammocks, I can put it in the shopping trolley, back in the pram, back in here and back in the house without waking it. That's why it's voted Best Baby Product 2 years wrong. And I can tell you now, as an experienced parent, if someone said to me I can put a baby down the whole year without waking them, I'd give them £200 on the spot. This is only £40. And if you contact the website, snugglebundl.co.uk, you'll be able to get the same price that you get here at the show. It's a bargain, really good value for money. And for all those who saw this and attended it, thank you very much. We've loved being here and loved meeting you all. Take care.